So today on the heavy bag, we're using footwork to get better. Today is the footwork emphasis today. So the combination that we're working on is just a 1-2, and we're using our feet to set up the 1-2, and we're using the feet to get out from a disengagement as well. So that's what you're working on the heavy bag today for the minutes that you are diagnosed with or prescribed with, depending on your level, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or pro. But I'll show you what that looks like, how we're using our feet to get on the 1-2 and how we're getting out. Everything is involving feet today, so using our feet to get in, feet to go ahead and get out, but the combination is the 1-2, using our feet to go ahead and get it out. That's all you're focusing on today. Our warm-up, you know, it's footwork emphasis, our cool-down footwork emphasis, but on the heavy bag or on shadow boxing, that's what the focus is today. Getting in, getting back out. Southpaw, same thing for you. Getting in, getting back out. Getting in, getting back out. And that's the heavy bag emphasis for you today. Combination is the 1-2, getting in with our feet and getting back out with our feet.